Everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Cook with Faith. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prep this egusi soup. Simple way of how to make egusi soup using bitter leaf. Okay, so if you want to see the process from the beginning, keep watching, guys. So guys, first thing first is to parboil our fish. Okay, so while doing that, we are going to be adding some seasoning cube and some salt, and then we'll allow it to cook a bit. Blended egusi. So what we have is a mix of the egusi, Cameroon pepper. That's why you're seeing some black particles, onions. Then I added a little bit of salt. So these are egusi paste, so I'm going to be adding it right now into the just add it by bit. I don't know, guys, there's this, I feel like it's an assumption that the Igbo egusi ticks better than. So we'll do this bit by bit until we're done with the egusi. We're done adding the egusi mix, so next I'm going to add bread and then cover it and allow to cook. Next we are adding oil. Come on. So it's time to check on us. So guys, soup has been cooking for over, let's say, like 15 to 20 minutes now. So I think I'm going to add the bitter leaf. So these are bitter leaf. The bitter leaf, it has been properly washed. Okay, you still have some little bits of like some bitterness, not thoroughly, so you still feel the bitterness in the leaf. So I'm going to be adding that now to the soup and we're good to go. A bit. So add a bitter leaf soup. After that bitter leaf, and then we stir. So guys, if you notice, or if you're one of my active subscribers, you'll notice that if you've been watching my video, you notice that my cooking video, there's this way, I have this easy way to cook my food because I don't like spending time in the kitchen, so I always look for easy way to cook so I don't waste much time in the kitchen. So we're good to go. So I've added, as you can see, I just add the bitter leaf now. So we're going to some behind the scene. I added more Cameroon pepper. I noticed that it was not spicy enough, and I forgot to record, or rather I was recording, I didn't know it was not recording, so I added more salt and some Maggi cube, and I added more Cameroon pepper. So we're going to cover it and allow to cook. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're here to subscribe, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, guys, you get notified. Here we go. Our soup is ready. Guys, this is so yummy, so good. So this is our lunch for today. So we're going to be eating this with swallow with semovita. Okay, so you can eat the egusi soup with any type of swallow as usual, amala, pounded yam, eba, fufu. You can even use it with rice. I know some people use it with yam as well. So guys, thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next. Bye guys.